What is dumpster diving? A dumpster diving is a attack type of cyber attack made possible by searching through the victim's trash. When a person scavenges or private information in garbage containers. While you might be the imagining a messy and filthy scenario where a person dives into the dumpster, the reality is less unsanitary. In a dumpster diving attack, threat actors could be in and out of the dumpster in a matter of minutes, but they may already have their hands on a box full of confidential documents, storage devices, and workstations. What data can dumpster drivers can take? You could be surprised at the amount of information about you, your life, or your company in your trash. Think about the last time you throw your credit card statement. Did you share it? How about the medical laboratory result from your previous visit to the doctor? Among the data that dumpster drivers can take it from searching through your trash. Example, few I am listing out. Like your phone numbers of your family, friends, customers and business associates. Access codes and password written on an innocent notepad. Credit card and bank account numbers. Blueprints of product designs. Printed drafts of business plans. Calendars and do list. CDs, DVDs and other portable storage devices. So I may listed some few things, but so many things may be in the trash. The dumpster driver can do the attack. Any of the above information can be used. Gain access to your home or work network. Notepad that contain passwords and access codes are the most valuable. However, most of us have learned to discard these items without a thorough security check. A list of clients could be useful for competitor. However, some of the data such as calendars, phone number may seem harmless. Keep in mind that they could be social engineering or masquerade attacks. A few things I will tell about how to protect yourself from dumpster diving attacks. The success of dumpster diving attacks can be traced back to lack of security knowledge. If people know how to attacker could use the data on a piece of paper, they could not do it without threatening. Therefore, the most effective way to protect yourself and your organization from dumpster diving, you have to educate your people or the organization how to protect the confidential data. For organization, including disposal management in your overall security policy could provide clear guidelines on how sensitive data from your trash can stay protected. For example, the policy may dictate that all papers should be shredded before disposal. The storage devices, on the other hand, how to clean off all data. The few things we discussed about what is dumpster driving and what are the action you can take and what are the list of things they may be taken and how to protect. So overall this thing we have conducted in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.